Hi everybody, it's Amy. So real quick, saw this on TikTok. You take one small jar of peanut butter. Let me see the ounces. 18 ounces. And then you take one container of vanilla frosting. You heat each of them up for a minute in the microwave. You pour them together. You mix it up. And it's supposed to make fudge. Okay, I lined my pan with parchment paper just to make it easier to take out. I'll let you guys know tomorrow if this is any good, but I will tell you the batter tasted amazing. I used a super shallow cooking sheet, whatever. You can use something a little deeper and smaller. You'll have like thicker chunks of fudge, but I wanted thin chunks of fudge. Oh, the batter tastes so good. Guys, this is so easy. Oh my God, so good. Hit that thumbs up button if you're going to try this. Okay, guys, it's the next day, and I just want to let you know, this is like a third of the fudge. And I got to tell you, I gave the kids a little bit this morning. Don't judge Auntie. So, guys, do you think it's really good?
Yeah.
It's really good, right?
Yes.
Yeah, and it was so easy, guys. 2 ingredients, super quick and easy. You can make it thicker. I liked it nice and thin, made a ton of pieces. It is so, so good. So I hope you guys try it out. You guys want me to make this again?
Yes.
Is that good? Talk to you guys later. Bye.